booking with GOTG is really easy. We take care of everything basically, from our delicious 5-star food to stunning decor. We've got a selection of photo booths, DJ equipment and more. And if there is something that we can't provide, then we can connect you with the best service that was going to help bring your event to life. On the day, we've got everything covered. We look after everything from setup to clean up, and you guys will really just be able to focus on, enjoying your event and celebrating with your guests. So yeah, make sure that you book with GOTG.
We just released a movie here today. Ghetto Loan. Go and get your loan. Anyway, watch a movie here. Tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment, positive comment forward. You know what I mean? Right now.
If it's the first time you're watching this video, please subscribe and hit the notification button.
Can we get back to Jamaica? The real Jamaica rock. Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica to love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much people swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Either you be a Christian, either you be a thug, either you be a man that are rocking in the club. Just do what you do and do right. Do what you do and do right. And I tell you from the first night, bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth just so swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. You ever see the girl them on the TikTok? Girl them click clap. Beautiful ladies, want beautiful money to beautiful babies. The pressure's too high for us. It's too hard for us. We don't know who to trust. But please just bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Fast car, big bike, big house, acres of land. Our name is way up, while you does it in the sand. Lord, I don't understand why so much separation. Bring back the Jamaica that we love.
Yeah, what go on? Some of the time that place I get me depressed, man. Here what go on now? You want to know, say, after I link you one day, and you tell me, say, you know, no money, but if you check the loan agency, I make some bad, I link the loan agency, and then say they charge me $5,000 for the interview, right? Only if you know, say, at the end of the day, me not get the loan, then give me $5,000. Yo, that place, yeah, that place, I can't manage, man. Yo, what me I say do? Get one of the link them from the man. You can't leave out to Jamaica, go do some work and come back here. Yeah, man, short man, yeah, man, just pull a string from man. Disappointment time, I know, me I tell you about. Do that, man, do that. Yeah, man, just do that.
Yeah, man, long time I don't see you. Look how you look good, man.
Long time I don't see you too, man.
How everybody?
I don't say everybody good too.
Good.
So, what you do with us in the time?
I'm here wait for this person to come out, man. I really might take long. I must have plenty money they having.
Okay. So, you know, so one of my friends, them see me I want to check one. I'm just glad to see you because I see you last year then time.
Yeah, that's true. And the last time I see you, I get a good blessing, you know. Oh God, you get a good blessing. You know, so the man come from foreign. About 2 weeks after me see you, know, and I tell you, say, nothing now gone. Man come from foreign and put a brick on my hand. Start me up and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I'm glad to see you again. Because more blessing must be a doctor. Oh God, you walk with the blessings. Alright, blessings. Give everybody my love, yeah? Alright, bless. Don't worry, I can't come on. No.
Ready? Oh, come yeah, man. Where go on, mama? Yeah, Dylan. Where go on? I tell you, say, yo. I just. What do you mean I show you 100, say? I be a 5 games. But we get a piece of work. Between me and you know. I don't want you to start work for me. Because we get a piece of money, but we can't really jump and go so. I have to make move gradually. You understand? So I get a piece of work to clean up one property and my boss buy. So now I go become the boss. I soon left the work, but I have to run it for a little while. I go out my work for people, but find a whole box of money. Yeah, man. So, what I go do? You get the money, man. Because we now move, I don't move up clean, but I have to start one local business in the place. Yeah, man, I be a them. Hold it, right, you understand? So what I go do? We go start some local business, run the place. Then after the business start now, sell some things from stock and buy one local vehicle. Then I go buy myself one and then can grow in the area. You look on the area, find property, the people want to sell it, we go buy out them. You understand? Just go to them, say somebody want to buy, and you take the money from me, buy it. You go want the property, you go want the land. You understand? So, no worry. When the time right now, you have a whole system for yourself. You can't lose. Just listen to me and say. No say it to nobody.
No, me not do that.
Me still go.
Yo, Dan, me not do that.
Me still go on like me not nothing.
Yeah.
3 of them go away all the same clothes, say nobody now figure me out. You understand? Then now, after that now, we just build a one I profit them, we just give one I profit them. We don't house money or something. Yeah? So, we have to check you. So, run up and down, you may go talk.
Alright.
You have my number, but we don't want to talk on the phone.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Really?
Give me the thing there. Give me the inch now.
And my first time I have that dream I on my knees. I have this dream about a business. I want to do one business. I dream to myself, I run one business. And then you know what? Why I believe in this business when I dream see all the while? People always come borrow money from me. All the while. So every time they come and borrow money from me, I look how if they go and bank go borrow money, they have to give back the money where they borrow plus interest. I don't know a little business so. But guess what now? My dreams to myself open up one nice little loan place.
Oh, like loan place, you like lend people money?
Yeah man, loan place how you lend people money. I'm could have one.
feeling nobody.
No, so me not have no money, but me believe in a me dream and me I wonder who me could have get some money from to do this business because me believe that this dream here will make me better in a real life. And you understand?
I know friends only can get up people they want money to buy and alone.
As you said, Ghetto, guess one of my niece, me could have give the loan place name Ghetto Loan Place. The name of my place and my company, me could have give Ghetto Loan. And I think it'll work. So, me call if it asks you. If the guy when me see you with the man there, the big man there, if he don't have money. Or, you know, you know, no partner or nothing because you would borrow it and then give you back and you know say. From me they make money, you will make money too.
I don't know partner and auntie, but you guys know the big man there and money man, I done that.
I like.
Yeah, and the money man. So when me could have do favor, could have talk to him and me send him to you.
Yeah.
And see if he can give you one loan. But you know, so you give loan, you have to go give him like one little bit of interest for the loan.
No problem because I loan place people ever they borrow money.
So let's say about 50, so you probably have to give him back on 55.
Me no response. Me just want to know say me dream when me dream come true. And if me borrow the money from him and if he lend me know me have to go give him back more than what he give me. Me understand. Me just want to know if you can talk to him for me.
Me go talk to him for you man and me go make me link you.
Alright.
Me go go up because me not carry no phone from him. So me go call him and talk to him and make me check you.
Alright, no problem. Thank you, Mimi.
You don't need to find him, or man will find him by himself.
Alright. Me I depend on you if you do that for me, you know.
I'm talking about man. You have good
Remember, you know. From the business I go on, me I make money.
Me I make money.
Me I make money to pay back then, plus you are going to make money too, because me have to give you money.
Me just go down and go buy one little burger and then me go up.
Alright. Yeah. Alright,
I'll
thank you.
send him to you.
Thank you, my niece. Hello.
Well, go on.
Finally, find you.
Come in.
Me find you one. Good day or good whatever.
A good night, man. It's a good night, you know. Here we go on, you know. Your niece speak highly of you, right? And me's a man. Me no matter about the high speaking. Me just matter about my money. So as an investor, I invest in people with talent and all these things, right? What kind of business you say you want going on? Because she tell me say you want going on one business. What kind of business you want going on?
I want one loan business. Ghetto loan.
Ghetto loan. Oh.
Yes, ghetto loan.
So people need to come get your loan.
Yes.
Alright, well, we're not fight you for your business that. So you what me say now? To that business, I'm going to give you one brick. Driver, stop the smoking. Because I tell you so many times when you smoke to the backside, you make the people them. Every time, you know, the weed, I say weed. See, you don't like weed. Anyway, sorry go, we're not fight it.
I like this, that smell like a cigarette thing.
No man, I weed that man, I weed that. What a weed. Me tell you, it's my time to mix the weed too much grabber. We're not going to weed the grabber. We're on high weed. You want to know? This is a brick, right? You know it's a beer hundreds.
Yeah.
Right? Beer hundreds. And this is a US. Because you don't know Jamaican money all the pretty and no value. So you see, you lend money in a US and you calculate it in a Jamaica. So you make sure say so you see this is a brick here, if I lend this brick in 3 to 4 months time you have a brick and a half.
Okay.
Alright?
Thank you. And she said, your name Dan?
Dan, yes.
Alright. And she tell him my name already, so my name is John.
Yeah man. There are people check. No, listen now. I have people that work for me. So me not ask you your name, you know. Because I have people that know your name, know your mother name, know your sister name, know your father, know everybody name for you. They know by your band, they know by your piece, by your shit, by everything you do. Them know that already. So me I have the business, me know about you. So if you want, you can research about me, see. One time. I just one. I don't know about no more. I just Mr. Daniel.
Alright, so thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Brick and a half, man. When the brick and a half come, and you want, if you want to expand now, we give you like a 10 brick in this, you know. Because me have bricks. Man, I have brick we can full up a whole room. So don't worry about money. But just get my investment. So I give you the money there. Okay. Flip it, I'm say. Right. You flip the one brick next time, I give you 2 brick and it will climb. Because I believe in my people. Because my people, I said, you know, I lend loan. But I lend loan to like bigger corporation. But through your niece, is a good worker for me. Me have to ensure, say, she said her auntie want her help, me I give her help. Okay. Personally, I can't do it myself.
Yes, thank you very much.
Alright, so do what you do, but make sure say you make the brick flip.
Me I got to try my best.
No make it flap.
No problem. I'm going to work up to my best ability.
To
make it work.
And one thing make me successful. I never get chopped. Never get chopped yet. People try to trap me, you know. And when them trap, them end up flap. And end up get dropped. It's like a shark attack. And a rat wall I'm send to them, so you know it's upon jail and thing that.
Okay.
And them end up under the sea.
Alright.
But anyway, keep that between me and you.
Alright.
Do what you have to do.
Thanks again, yeah?
Yeah, man. Believe. Driver, don't dare you do that again, man. No smoking when we have client in the vehicle. Post make you man jack down for me. Yeah, I'm alone that go down to the hospital, you know. But I kick you out of the vehicle and me drive go and you take her up on your shoulder and carry her go with you. Don't do that again, man. Alright. Start up the car, we are moving.
Hello? They don't need... What? What tell me that they don't know what? They don't know anybody who could do a promotion from a loan place. I need somebody to promote this one so people in the area or the area can aware that I have my loan place and it is called Ghetto loan. Yes, same day loan. No security. No, they don't need any security. I need some flyers, brochure. You can put up some little signs on the roadside and issue some little flyers coming to anybody. Or you can do it. Yes, you know what? Because I'm going to tell you something. This money, I borrowed it from somebody to do this thing, this business that I'm doing now. And I need to get back the money to give back the person. Yes. Okay, you will do so. Thank you. So how much is it gonna cost? Alright, no problem. As long as my thing going on, like when persons come to borrow money and they're willing to give it back and I see that the business is going on, no problem. I can even give you a little thing on what you charge me. That's okay. No problem. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Alright. Oh, thank God. Ghetto loan. Brand new place opening us, so you can just come and get on a same day loan right away. You don't need no security. Yes man, in 5 minutes time everything alright. And it's sent straight to your account and you can get it cash right away. Ghetto loan, Ghetto loan. Ghetto loan, Ghetto loan. Anybody need any loan? Inside, maybe some people, yeah. Right. Ghetto loan.
Hey girl, where you see the place then? And I walk, I'm in a small way. No, even shop. Only walk. Hair shop there. Yes. Oh, that's so. I just rode the same. Oh, hold on. Yeah, man. Road place and grill. Yeah, man, we find it. Alright, come on for the phone. Phone you when they get through. Alright.
Hello, you can come inside. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Good day. How can I assist you?
I come for a loan. Is here do the same day loan?
Yes.
Alright, I come to apply for it.
Okay, where are you from?
Oh, I live in West End.
That means you come from Negro.
Yeah, man, born and bred.
Okay, and what's your phone number?
876
Okay.
241 7817.
Okay, and what's your full name?
My name is Sabrina Lowbridge.
Sabrina?
Lowbridge.
Okay. And your date of birth, please, if may I ask?
Yeah, man, I'm proud of it. The 17th of July, 1978.
Okay, and do you have any reference that live in your area?
Yes, I can.
In case we can't get in touch with you, we could get in touch with that person?
Yes, I can give you my boss and my pastor.
Okay, what's your full name?
My boss name is Mr. McIntosh.
Okay, hang on a minute.
And the next name is Anthony White.
Okay, Anthony White.
Pastor.
And I need the both of them number. What's your pastor number?
Mr. McIntosh is 876 618 0850.
And your pastor in your
The
bass.
pastor is 876.
The bass number. Which one you give me first?
I'll give you Mr. McIntosh.
Okay, I just want to know that I put it at the right name. Okay, go ahead.
And Mr. White, he is 876 818 2025.
Okay, cool. And they're living in Negril too, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Can you sign your signature here? And before you sign the signature, how many money do you want to borrow today?
I need 50,000.
And what are you going to do with it?
It's for starting my business.
Okay.
I'm gonna grow some chicken and start a chicken farm. So I want to buy at least 100 chicken and everything for that. I want big fan and everything to set up the cook good and proper.
So I need you to sign your signature and in 5 minutes time.
May I go get it?
You need cash and you want me to send it straight to your account.
Send it to my account. As a matter of fact, my phone dead. Never mind, we'll take the cash. We'll take the cash now.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, you need to sign your signature here.
We'll sign, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Let me get through, see?
Alright, so just give me a few minutes.
Let me get through.
Okay, thank you. Alright, just give me a few minutes.
Mm-hmm. Alright, thank you.
Miss Sabrina,
Yes.
you can come.
Okay, come in.
Miss Sabrina,
Yes, here come.
you can come inside. Okay, here is your 50,000 cash.
Miss, before you give that to me, I'm sorry. I just get a phone call from my friend. I never realized that chicken gone up so much. If it's not too late, I was wondering if I can actually apply for another 50, so it will be 100,000.
Oh, you want 100,000 instead of 50?
I realized it gone
No
up
problem,
so-
no problem. But you're gonna have to sign over your signature for the 100,000 because you
Yeah.
already signed for 50.
Yes.
I know you changed your mind for 100.
Yes.
No problem. I can give the 100 to you, but you're gonna have to sign over this paper for me, please, and thank you if
Yes,
you don't
no
mind.
problem. No.
You're gonna have to sign on the paper for 100,000, but just remember you signed for 50.
Yes.
So you have to sign your signature again for 100,000.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. No problem. Here it is. Here it is.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Thank you very.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
And you need to keep this paper. This is the copy. Here you go.
Yes. Thank you.
This is the copy. You'll have to keep this paper with you. Okay. Alright, so I hope you have a progressive raising up your chicken.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice
God
day.
bless. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Here. God bless you.
Have a nice day, no problem.
Yes, you too. Yes, thank you.
Hello, friend, how about?
Hey, what? How about for the rain?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, man, very good. If I put this down, because
Yeah, man,
rest
I'm
my foot. Wait.
Like I go get the loan, man.
Yes, man, me get through. Me get through, so I can start my thing up now.
I love that. So, how I go get the loan?
Up a Ghetto loan, you don't know where they?
Oh, get the loan?
Yes. Yes.
So, like things are going for you, man.
It's a go on, them say yes. They will say yes, so I let anybody know say yes, you forgot try to.
So,
Yeah, man.
So, give me something out there, loan.
Lots, bro. You know, say, this expensive. You know, say, I'm here walk. You know, you even have no fear. By the time you spend. Oh, no. But me, you know, so me feed you and look after you if you need to, me what like that. But me not have the liquid cash for me right now. But you forgot to get it too. They must say yes to everybody. Like say they have money, they want to give it. If me get it, I mean I know credit and me get it. Go the man, get a loan again. You get your loan.
I'll go check out the place.
Aye.
So you can get a loan.
Aye, that's your for do, you know? That's your for do. You see that it's a ease. Now got take a walk again.
Alright.
And try and make it home before the big rain comes.
just put it through. Each one, I'll make something.
Yeah, man. It'll come true for you, man. It'll come true.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Hello. Good day. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. You know that I'm looking for a loan. Can I get a loan? It's attention, get a loan, right?
What's your name?
It's actually Reed.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from
Where in England?
Red Gum.
Red Ground? What's your date of birth, please?
January 2nd, 2002.
Okay, and do you have any reference? I need two reference, like two-person name, that in case I'm trying to get in touch with you and I can't get to your number. Can you give me two-person name with their number, please, and thank you and their address?
Okay,
Do you have any friend or family?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Doesn't matter if it's a friend.
Okay, Tom Lowe
Okay.
and Jim Watson.
Okay, and where are you from?
Same place, same era.
Okay, and
Oh, it's 446.
okay.
453. That's it.
And the next person number, please.
Oh, it's 578 9432.
Okay, thank you. And how much money would you like?
Oh, you think it's possible for me to get up to 200,000?
No problem. I can even give you more than that. What are you planning to do with that money?
Oh, I want to build a shop and stop it.
So I need you to sign your signature here for 200,000 before I give it to you.
Okay.
What go on?
Yeah, man.
And I there just go and hold it, you know?
Oh, you know, work today?
No man, I and I are cool out today. We done some work already, there's some different thing we have to deal with today, is it?
Is that look at thing we can check your boss, you know?
Alright. A rough time I know, you know. Because I know same time I see you, you know, because you know, so some money argument can come with me. You know, say I can't some money come give your cousin. I don't know what go on.
The door in the yard, the rat now. I don't want to grab a new one to put
Yo, when you buy that door, me tell you, say, I saw them door they stay. The part the board there, always go right now. You understand? Work sit up on the outside, that's so. Me tell you, if you buy one sensible, fully metal door.
I want to buy one of the white one then. The plastic door them.
You don't know, you're not going to learn. But you know the money I know though. But here now, good news here differently. There is a sister. Just start one fresh company, loan agency. Same day loan. And for sure say, it's for the poor people them.
Yeah.
In name Ghetto loan. So for you come, you come from the ghetto, for you came from the ghetto, you get a loan. For you go to say you come from the ghetto and you get the loan. Right out on the front door, the man, out of the shop, the man. The sign did the right out type of hot chocolate. You know, the brown part there.
Cheap.
The rate for you pay back reasonable. You borrow 100,000, you pay back one little change money, not much. And you get the same day. You don't need a lot of things to get
I'm
it.
going to check them out then.
You just carry your ID, the TRN, and you just give the loan. Then, because you come from the ghetto, them comfy help the ghetto. But the thing you do though, because I talk to her, I tell her, say, be careful, you know. Because some ghetto people are different from some. Some will pay back their loan, but some will not. So if you get the loan from the people them, as my cousin, pay it back.
Yeah, man.
Cause then go put up a picture and then go play like what them play on TikTok. Give me my money back. And people go see your face on it.
I'll check them out, man.
Alright.
Respect, you know.
Money down.
I'm trying to do that to me, you know.
Yeah man, so check them man, let me get a loan man. Tell us how me send you. Alright, yeah.
Hello? Yes, this is the loan place.
How can I help you? Good day. Yes. Mrs. Johnson? Yes, you're calling about the Ghetto Fest? Yes, we open from 7:30 to 5 in the evening. Okay. 5 working days. Alright, no problem. Thank you so much. Alright, cool.
Hello.
Hello, you can come inside. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm going
Yes. Same day loan.
to same day.
Yes.
Okay. So,
This is the name of our company. Ghetto Loan.
yeah, you mean about it now, see.
Yes, how can I assist you?
So, no that one more like more alone. No more one something. So you can do one job.
Okay, my name is Mrs. Johnson. What's yours?
My name is Mr. Powell.
What Powell?
Yeah.
What Powell?
Zayn Powell.
Xavier Powell? Where are you from?
From Mandela.
Landala. Where is Landala?
Mandela.
Okay, how old are you, sir?
I'm 22.
22? And which month were you born and here, please, if you don't mind? Huh?
19 November. 05.
Okay. Do you have any reference, like a friend or family? So I need 2 numbers and 2 names and their address, please.
Miss Bev.
What Bev?
Miss Bev.
Bev what?
Beverly.
Beverly?
Miss Beverly.
Beverly what? What's her last name?
Anderson.
Okay. And her number?
876 3 222 5492.
Is that a foreign number?
Huh?
Is that a foreign number? Is that an overseas number?
No, yeah, that's what I said 876.
Yes, that's the code.
Yeah.
Yes.
And 3 222
Okay.
53.
Okay, that is the number that you're giving me. Okay, and the next person's name, and I need Miss Bev now. Give me Miss Bev address, please, if you don't mind.
Same place I said.
Okay, same address. Alright, no problem.
So Mr. Jones now.
Okay.
55 92 321.
Okay. And the same address too?
Same man.
Okay, how much money do you want today?
How much I can get?
You can get any amount you want. It's up to you and what are you going to do with it?
I'll take 300.
You need 300,000?
Yeah.
And what are you planning to do with 300,000, sir, if you don't mind?
Start off. I want to buy a taxi.
You want to do what?
I need to buy a taxi.
Are you planning to buy a new bike?
Yeah.
Okay, and you have the license and insure. I understand, no problem.
For Mr. Jones, the number. Can you tell me? I think make a mistake.
What's is it the false?
Yeah, I think so.
The false number, what? Or
No,
you don't remember the number?
I remember that he had a old number, he had a new number.
Alright, cool. Go ahead and tell
The
me.
new number is 217
Okay.
73.
Alright, cool. Alright, now I'm gonna ask you to sign this paper for the 300,000. Yes, go ahead, you can borrow it. Thank you. Here you go, sir. I need you to keep this one and I'll keep the next one, okay? Here you go. And I wish you all the best with your bike taxi business. And please remember to come and pay back your bill on time. Okay? Alright. Do not let interest grow on it, okay? Because if you're late, interest go up. Alright, have a nice day, sir. Thank you for coming. Okay, cool. Action.
get the work man. Come put it on the door.
Me go tell my mother this now. Auntie, you know, so they have a poster all over 20 and something a million. But if you have for them, you better pay because you don't look good. You know, say, Mama, give me phone to call you. Alright, Auntie. Alright, I'm about to make this food for Mommy. We just going to see.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, Tabo. Wait, I'm millionaire now. Rich. What do you mean if me have money? Of course me have money. I have a little chunk change. You know, right now up on the road me have to donate some money to some people. You know, them go there. Give them some, everybody want 50,000 and give them business. No, sir. That's why remember say we chop understand, you know. We have to understand chopper. Yeah man. Not really man, I can pull up and go have a drink or go do something on the road. I don't know if you can come now. Just see how we man get. Just link me, just check me link you. Yeah man. Alright. Cool no man. Yeah, love you too. Alright.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah? Hello.
Good day. Nice seeing you again.
Yeah? See you again.
Don't you know that you owe some money at the loan place, sir?
Yeah man, you know man. You know.
Oh, so when are you going to come in to
You know, see,
pay back the money that you owe? Plus,
sir.
you're taking too long to pay, so you know
Okay.
that interest gone and the
Just
money.
don't call her again and tell us that I don't know what
You was just going to call me?
Yes, I even just have to go now.
Really?
So that's how I'm surprised to see that.
I don't understand you guys. You people came in, borrow money, promise to come and pay it back,
Yeah.
and then after that, we have to walk around and look if we
Alright,
find
tell
you
her,
guys
tell
to
her.
come back and pay the money.
I tell you all this. So we borrow the money and tell us we have to pay back the money. Sometimes when you get the money, things come up. So when things come up,
I don't understand, but at least you can make me aware
Yes,
in
I
the
know,
office
ma'am. I
that
know,
you're gonna
ma'am.
come XYZ time.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
remember when you just came to me, you told me that you was going to buy some door for your house
Yes,
because the
I buy
old
that
one that you
door.
have, Chichi is eating out the door.
Yeah.
And I do it with all my heart. I gave you the money for you to come back and repay us, but you did not pay us back.
Yes, but I know. But sometimes when things come up, you yourself will be ashamed to come back and say, the money not there.
But at least we know that you have the intention of paying back the money, but you didn't say anything to us. And did you get the door?
Yes, I got the door.
Oh, well, that is good. And I'm happy that I see you now, and I hope you come in and talk to us how we're going to get back
Yes,
the
ma'am.
money that
Sure,
you borrowed from us.
Soon I'm going to come in around.
Are you sure about that?
100%.
Okay, I'm
I'm
not
not
gonna
going to stop this.
I'm not gonna really trust you on that one, but I'm just gonna take your words for now. So
Of course,
hopefully
ma'am.
I'll see you at the office. When I'm gonna see you?
I will look for me to go to the About Monday. Early by then.
So you don't think you have any money on you right now that I could
You see as I'm there for actually nothing. I am my problem.
I could just let you sign your signature and show that you pay XYZ amount of money, and then afterward you just come and pay the rest.
I don't have any more cash on me right.
You don't have any money on you?
No. You see I have money, but then I do everything I try.
Alright then.
But I'm gonna
When you say you're going to come in?
I'm coming Monday, early morning and have a meeting with you and everything.
So you're going to take some money with you when you plan to come in
That's
Monday?
what I'm trying to go on the road to get the money to do Monday. So any amount I get after I watch your night class and then I come in.
Okay, so
Alright.
looking forward to seeing you.
Yes ma'am.
Alright. Have a nice day.
TBI.
Yes, Shamin.
I'm glad you're there. You good?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, man, me there look and live. And you me come to see you know. Did you get through with the thing? Did I tell you about the loan place? You get through?
Yeah.
Get through?
Yeah, man, you know, so when you get through though, and you know, sit down. See
Yeah,
sleep,
man.
Yeah, have a seat, man.
Thank you. I want to have to talk.
Where's that going now?
Why? I'm glad you get through. You know, me send you to the right place.
Chill, man.
Why TV like how you get through? Me wonder if you can help me out. Cause it's a 30 grand that I look for.
That's why you know, say, whole lot of money when we get, whole lot of trigger.
And me kinda tight too, you know. Things tight and you rough bad. So it's a 30 me I come look for.
That's just Shamin right now. You said 30 I call for right now. I'm gonna take you for a trip in the car. Right now I said, Tim there, so that I mix. I'm gonna get some money from an idea.
Why rough? And the loan me get. Me buy some fowl, me buy 50 fowl, you know. So me I start and feeding and everything. You know, say, my dirty minded brother leave the cup open and mangoes and rat come near me of every one of the chicks there. Me have to start all over again. Me a feeding and nothing for feed.
That's a rough man.
No boy.
I was just one holy and one Shamin, because right now, I'm there, the holy.
Yeah, that me have to go do. Take pride behind me and make a start. Take me, I go leave you in before the rain come. Because I have one more stop to try, and if not, I go take up your advice. Here?
Alright.
Alright, little more, bless.
I believe that this girl had take so long and you know go somewhere. Oh man. Just call her and she tell me say she's right around the West End so and all know the girl can come. But I'm think they're not easy. They think they're don't be afraid, man. Come here. I just need to talk to you for a few minutes. Come over here. Don't be scared. It's the same person that you talked to when you came to the office.
Which office?
The same office. You know the same loan place where they come to?
Oh, okay, so
A few months ago, yes. Let me take off my glasses. I look like you don't realize that. Oh, yes. This is Miss Judge. You remember me now? Okay. We have been waiting on you to come in with some money a few months ago and we haven't heard anything from you. What is the problem? You're not working anymore or what? Because I know sometimes people can in certain difficulties don't have the money to come in the same time when they're supposed to, but you could call us and talk to us, we'd understand.
you know, so to be honest, though, but we have some things I deal with, and that's why we can't reach out to.
Your phone is not working anymore?
No, know, we get one new phone though.
Oh, you need to give me about that number. Can you give me that number?
You know, some not buying no trip yet. Yeah, we don't have no trip.
So you just buy the phone without a SIM card?
Yeah. Just give on.
Oh, you just bought the phone?
Yeah, trip never buy it now.
So where they sold you that phone? They don't sell SIM card there?
No.
Okay, alright. As soon as you get the SIM card, can you come to the office and let me have a talk and give me your number back?
Okay.
Yes, because you know you hold some money a few months now and we need to talk to you about it because we need to get back the money. You understand? So whenever you want to borrow again, we can lend you some more money. But you have to clear that bill first. You understand? You don't have to be scared, man.
I'm gonna go and get the trip, so...
Alright, so remember to come to the office.
Okay,
I'll be waiting, right?
It's just on the corner of rush me because somebody away from okay. And I really have time to talk. No.
Okay, again. Okay. My name is Miss Johnson, which I know you already know that. And I know it's my day off, but it's been a while now since you came to the loan place and take out a portion of money. And we haven't seen your face back. Get in touch with us. I noticed that the place that you told me that you live when you just came to take out the loan, you have lived there. You haven't lived there anymore.
No, but we send an email to me, send me move.
No.
We send it,
Listen,
it's not my fault if you not get it.
Listen. You did not send that email to us because we would see it.
My lady, me and a liar, you know.
No, listen.
Me and no liar.
Email is a legit thing. If you send it, we have to see it. Miss. Listen. You don't have to shout. You don't have to be this aggressive. You understand? Because I give
you call me a liar, then you tell you what me do. The email your company.
You did not. You did not.
So now you call me a liar?
Yes, because you didn't.
So, me and you can't talk, you know.
No, you need. Listen.
You come to flex my brain and in the evening.
Listen, you need to come to the office and let someone at the office talk to you. Or you come to me personally. You understand me?
You think me I can come to you, you know,
because you need to give back the money.
Me email your office and it's not my problem if your people them can't communicate. Me email your office 3 months ago.
Anything you send to the office, it is coming straight to my email. Yes.
Well, you have to check the email then.
My email is checked every day.
Then I have time for this. I feel your company.
Yes. I have shared it. Well, and you are very rude. Speaking to me like that. And when you came to me for the money, you wasn't going on like this.
You can get fired just like you
I
get fired.
will not get fired.
I don't have no time for you. Come to flex my brain.
I will not get fired. This is the way you guys behave, you know. When you came to the loan place, you are such a nice person because you're in need of help. Now you're supposed to pay back the money. This is the way you're coming on to me, eh? In this kind of disrespectful way, you don't have any respect. No man has nothing at all. Lady, I can see that you did not brought up. You're acting too ghetto. It seems like some little pig. You have a piggish mentality. This is the way you approach someone, eh? The money is finished. Now you don't have it to pay it back. This is the way you're talking. Okay.
Something to tell you. Remember, say we get the loan from the people then.
1 year, yeah.
And me see the woman out the street and she'll run me down the street for the money. Caca fat. I've filled with picture them have up out a post. Wanted like any criminal.
I must do this.
Put up for your picture and for me picture and other people picture. From post. Like we are all time Western criminal.
One, very really matter, you know. No man can get one more loan and then put up. So it don't really matter. Don't get the loan already so you can't do anything. No man engineer next door.
Give a shame.
Yeah.
Me tear them down and fling them away.
You can't shame. My film tree cut down.
You wanna go back for another one?
What do you mean? I'm going to put up back another picture.
No sir. Me tear down mine and yours. Me don't know who else picture up there, but me tear down mine and yours.
I go tear the still.
No sir, me don't know about you, but by hook or by crook, me I go find the money somehow and try pay her back. Cause me don't want my picture up like any old criminal from Western.
But you can buy the crook now try to go borrow next load.
No man, you can pay her back. Me have little shame later.
Alright.
Hello.
Alia. Alia.
There you know.
Alia.
Hello.
How I go on with your auntie though?
You know, I don't really know what's going on with him.
I'm lending her the money for a couple months ago. She fi start dropping back her money and now I not hear from her now.
She not give back the money none at all.
No money not come back in there. You know what I mean? And the things that me and her have a understanding, you know.
I don't understand that.
It look like she not come out of her bed yet, because I drive go out of her place, out of her business place and it look lock up in her man. And that. But I want to reach out to her and ensure she knows we in a business. So in a business, you have to communicate and make sure the business runs straight. You hear?
Mm-hmm.
Because of you make me lend her the money, you know. Alright? So reach out to her and make sure meet me tonight.
I don't want to go.
I remember because of you make sure get the loan, you know.
Me know man. You know what me I go do? Me I go link with her and see if me can make she get you or something. Find out what going on.
Okay, you love your auntie, not true?
Then me must love my auntie.
Alright. Yeah man, so me I tell you, I one of them thing the man. Yo. So just make sure she know what go on. You know what I mean? Cause I need my money, you know. Because I know so the money thing go. Cause you know me from when me I start out, you know. I never get no help from nobody. So that's why when I run into this money, I decide to help some people. But when I help people, no one help me down. No one knows that my money touch back the ground. Alright, so talk to her though.
Yeah, me go talk to her and find out what going on.
Yeah man, talk to her though.
Yeah, me go talk to her and find out what going on.
Alright, so if I know you get back to me, and then me and her organize up a meeting, come here and need to sit down and talk.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Hello? Good day, is this Miss Sabrina? Okay, ma'am. When I leave her come in with the loan, the money that they borrow from the government, that is what I need. Yes, I would like to get the money because and the date is overdue, and I don't see you coming back with nothing at all. Ma'am, can you just listen to me for a minute? When you came to the loan place, you're talking while I'm talking. When you came to the loan place, you was such a nice person. Even if you were acting or performing like you're a nice person, you seems like you were a nice person. I willingly gave you the loan that you asked for to borrow. And it wasn't a problem for me to lend you it. Now you need to return back the money. And it causing a big problem. Oh my God. Did she hang up on me? Alright, no problem. Alright, let me get in touch with this person. Wait. Hello? Is this Susie? Yes. I'm Mrs. Johnson calling from Ghetto loan place. And I'm calling about the money that you borrowed. You need to bring the money come that you hold. And it's been a while now and I haven't get any call from you, no message, nothing. And you haven't turned up to talk to me whether you have it now or when I'm gonna get it. So what is going on? The business that you told me about that you was gonna look about for me to lend you the loan. I guess it's going on very well. Why don't you bring in back the money? I have to get back the money. This is a business. This is not a joke thing. You understand? And do not let me call you back again. Have a nice day. I need the money, so you need to come to the office. Okay, ma'am. Alright, you said Thursday. I'm looking out to see Thursday and you. Alright, have a nice day. Them people there want me to get mad in this, you know.
Auntie.
Hey, 1 minute, so one.
What on?
Me there, man, you know.
You good?
No, me love.
You know what I'm come talk to you though.
I want.
You know the Dan called me.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, oh, you've been not give you the money. Filling out the loan, the money not receive back none.
Lord Jesus, my niece, Dan lend me the money because of you, because I do know him, right?
Yeah.
You and him a friend. And I so come him know me, I understand saying warm back the money. But my niece, you know what the people them a do to me in here. You know want to hear what the people them a do to me in here. So, my niece, them come, them borrow the loan and say them a go do business, and until today none of them no bring back where them borrow, much less the interest, nothing at all.
So you not call them?
Call what? Me if you call them again, then change their number, me can't call them again, me used to call them. Even though me just when I call some of them, if you think I lie, me tell, look here, see them picture there. Me report them at the station.
What people no behavior and no style. They would want me, I should have me around there. That's the only find him. They would have to give him back my money. They understand it's a business they do. And
This is a business, real business. Me borrow the money to do the ghetto loan. Help me to help out them plus myself. Plus me have to go give back that one money for the money when lend me to do the loan place. And now what this it turn to?
Well, I call me a cuss now.
Me niece, hear there. He call you the cuss.
Money and no, and this and that. I'm telling me I will talk to you and see what is the matter.
But maybe when he come in don't even believe me either.
No, but my mom entrusts me though. This when we go see mommy. Don't tell me I get some extension and time extension for you. That's so me can do for you. But auntie, phone money people then make sure you get back your money.
And now put myself in a no problem with no owing that no money because I people them. Then lend me money, me know I want it back. Me lend the people them the money because they come at my business place and borrow it to do business. And me not see back not even one of them.
That's why.
So it's like a plan them a criminal.
That's why if you ensure to your hold them down, you know, and just
Yes, me have them address, them phone number, everything, all reference number, everything. But you know, them thief and steal. Then we move from where they live. Then we change all their number, their identity, everything, the whole everything. But then we change.
Report them and put them in the streets.
Me already do it, you know. I left down some of them in the town and all about over the place. See me put it up on you, so yeah. If anybody else come to borrow money, then think first before them borrow it, because I'm not to put up them name and them and them, especially them face all over the place, make people say them a thief. So in case you see none of them face here, just call me number. You understand? Cause if them no care about the money, anyhow they no care about the money come give me. And if the police can't deal with the situation, me will deal with it myself. Cause you now go so. Look here, me want you talk to Dan for me, please. Tell him what me tell you, say. Because this is serious, I mean I want me and him have nothing, you know, sake of these people.
Me I go over and call him and talk to him, we have a good conversation and then when we get back to you.
Okay, thank you, my niece. Yeah, me alright differently because me have life, but me have fret about the man money. And then he lend me and me need the people them we borrow it from if you care about come give me so me can pay back the man. A problem me right now, you know, cause nowadays people don't ramp with their money, you know. The man tell me saying business money he take out lend me, you know, say cause you know. Alright, Jesus Christ, and now one life me have. Do me a beg you, talk to him for me, please. Alright, my baby, thanks. Jesus God. Oh God.
You look a bit late still, you know. Where really are going?
I can only stress out. Dan, I don't want your face to style me, you know. I know me did we go and check you from early on. We up in a week. But I'll tell you the truth. You see people them when me lend the money, some of them pay back some of my money. But the interest not come in yet and they not complete the payment with them borrow. Then some of them don't give me not even $1. Not all. But right now.
Hear me answer now, nobody talk too much. Hear me answer now, hear me answer. We're in the fields of business. Right? When you turn up and you say you don't have my money, it's like you break my heart. And I don't like when nobody break my heart, you know. Right? So you know, cause watch you know. I could have a driver. When she go away, we just turn the car and bounce her down. We want to get back the money though, but I get satisfaction. But may I show you how you have to take things into your own hands. So if you lend somebody a money, then see to pay you back. You understand? We can't call now. And my voice I go the way I feel away. They tell me say the money no come through. Cause me a plan to say then you care about that plus that. I'm gonna say that give you one, come and say a good business you do, so I'm gonna give you double it up and now and say flip that. We give you 2, we give me back 3. Anyway, it's up to you, you know. It's up to you to ensure that I get my. So when you say I'll get the money to close out the first deal.
Then I ask if they can give me 1 more month. Let's see what we can do and see if we can sort out the money and give you it back. I thank you for lending me it. I'm not getting no pill to take. Because they don't care about the money come give me, that's why I don't have a figure. So I beg you, just give me another month. As I tell you before, I beg you, just give me a chance and give me another month. Because I don't want you to look on it like I say, I style. I don't do it. They don't pay me back the money.
Alright. Your niece is one of my favorite work, I know. So here we go on, me say. Take the month. Driver, write it down, driver. Write it down. Show it a month from now. So 1 month from now at the same time, yeah, so I go meet you back right, yeah, so. And you need to have the money. Alright? So I don't like your sad story. We in the feast of being happy. I want you to tell me a happy story. I say, yeah, and we can celebrate. But no, we can't go celebrate because no did it. Alright? So alright. That good.
Alright.
Yeah man, let that go on. Alright?
Yeah.
Can't tell you no more. And if my taxi that. Who that? Must my taxi. May I come? Jesus Christ.
Hello. Let me tell you something. I'm a money where you borrow, me come for not even for me money either.
You have to come with my shit, lady.
Hello, shut up and listen to me. Because when you come borrow me money, you never know say this you go in and put me into. You borrow me the money and you not carry back.
And my shit you
Oh,
really
you want to raise chicken. You wonder when me can come? You see if lady, you see if you give me this.
No, sir.
Oi, give me this.
Jesus
Right now. Oi.
Who
Let me tell you something. You see this?
No hurt me.
Don't hurt you.
Me pay you. Me
not come
pay you. Me pay you.
Lady, shut up and listen to me. For me give you 2 out of 5. Lady, you don't know who you're playing with, you know. You don't know who you're playing with. Woman, me borrow somebody money and they run one little loan. And you come on me loan place come borrow money. Say you want to do business for raise chicken and me sorry for you and give you it. Without a dime, I don't make you pay down nothing. And you take the money with a tough heart and without a conscience, planning not to give me back. I know you left me in a problem, lady.
No.
Let me tell you something. You see this somebody where me borrow the money from? Right now, a problem you left me in. And if you make one strand of me here pop out by that man, when me don't analyze you myself, you're not gonna like it because me not gonna make the person who lend me the money analyze me before, so me analyze you myself.
Tomorrow me I bring it. But swear to God, tomorrow me I go bring it. Me I bring it to you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, soon o'clock. Tomorrow soon o'clock. Not doing nothing. Tomorrow me have picnic. I may have grand picnic tomorrow soon o'clock. Do for me picnic them and for me grand picnic. Not do nothing. Me I bring it tomorrow. Me promise.
You come on my business place.
I'm sorry.
And you act like you're such a nice person. You're acting so intelligent and bold and polite. Like you come from somewhere with nothing. And I try to help you for you to get something. And this is what you done to me. Like seriously? Sabrina, if you make me turn on the wrong side.
Me didn't intend to pay it. All the chicken them dead out. I me never met nothing from the chicken.
Hello.
I be trying.
Hello. The chicken them dead out don't have anything to do with me. I gave you my life cash in your hand. And if you make, when you say I come with it,
We'll come tomorrow morning.
if you make tomorrow morning come and I don't see you bright and early when me open up my place.
Yes,
Remember, 5 working days me open and you say tomorrow it up to you. So oh you not no money no and tomorrow morning you go get it.
No, me I go get it like we can't cook. Me I go get it tonight. Me I go get it tonight and bring it to you tomorrow morning. I promise.
Sabrina,
Yes.
can I ask you a question?
Yes, just don't kill me.
Sabrina, you couldn't find the money to come and give to me, but tomorrow you're going to find it.
Trust me.
Why? Listen. why you never bring it to me before it reach to this?
No, as somebody me did a go bury forgive, cause like me say me chicken them dead out. Mangoes come and hear me chicken. So I hear me things say come through the door.
Hello, Sabrina, me no fool. You can't give me no pill fi take and me just take it like that. Me no stack it. Sabrina, me know say the chicken, me hear about you, me walk and investigate. Remember you give me your address and me my everything. That's why me find you.
The chicken them dead.
The chicken them. Then get 6 weeks, you kill them, you buy again and kill and buy again. What you do with the money, Sabrina?
No, the chicken
that your plan
dead.
to do?
Me never make nothing to the
Come and
chicken.
get money for free and then leave me in a problem.
No, I'm my uncle, me I borrow the money from me. I hear me things say come knock the door.
Sabrina, if a big woman like you borrow too much. Because you come at the loan place and borrow money. Chicken dead as you go borrow from uncle. No, I
want to pay you back. Me see me picture up and me no want to see me picture no more. Me shame like a dog.
Sorry,
me want to pay you back.
Sabrina, look on this face. This is not my real face. You understand? Right now, I have it up to this. This is a last straw. And I will not take your bullshit anymore.
Me will do it. Me will pay you tomorrow.
Understand?
Tomorrow.
So if you know you're gonna make one next faithful promise where you can't fulfill,
no, trust me.
Sabrina, lift up prayer for God said me come back
tomorrow.
Is dead before
tomorrow,
this Anna.
Tomorrow.
What me say? Dead before what?
Tomorrow.
Anna.
Tomorrow. I promise you. Trust me.
This is not a promise.
Tomorrow.
This is a threat.
Not threaten me. Tomorrow. Remember me and my picnic and my grand picnic. Tomorrow.
What me say?
Tomorrow. Trust me. Me promise you. To God, me promise you tomorrow. Not kill me. Me and my picnic them. Not kill me. Tomorrow. You're gonna see me before you reach to the bend the corner. You're gonna see me. Tomorrow.
I won't say another word to you.
Yeah, man.
You see this same side where you sleep on last night? You better sleep on it tonight and go pray.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow.
Find that money.
Me promise. Tomorrow. I swear. Tomorrow. Swear.
Take off them drawers before daylight. Make sure you reach on my business place.
You're gonna reach before you.
me even open.
Yeah, man. First thing you're gonna say on me before you see the door, you're gonna see me.
No jokes.
Me promise. Lord God. Why? No, sir.
Yeah, man, it has been a long time. We not to do enough work still, so I look for some new actors. You know what I mean? Quick and fast. Yeah, we are go Panama December same way. So if we find good people, you never can tell. Maybe they end up on the trip. If we go cross over there. Because we are going to go shoot for 3 weeks. You know what I mean? And if maybe we go one different place too. We don't know if Panama alone we go. So we have to pass through and something go on. So anyway, we don't have to talk about long panina because we have some work to do. Because we have move to shoot this month here. Go back to December. Because December we have fly out, go deal with that. You understand? So look for some new people now to do some work. Because we're fully back in our work starting the next 2 weeks from now. You understand? So I try to get some people, prep them in the cards. You know it go. New year I come and new year, new gear. You understand me? So do the right thing. Reach out, number on the screen. Yeah, man. Big up to all them fans them from that time till this time. Big up to all I sponsor them. Big up to all I well wishers them. Big up to everybody. You know what I mean? Now watch people them who send some bad comments because me and some of them are a friend. You know what I mean? Kind of life, you can't be friend with everybody because that man speak my mind. If you speak your mind, then say you're unkind. But anyway, we are searching, we are fine. Let's go. Everything's gonna be fine. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. This is me out in a rush. But now we're on yourself. We'll keep in touch. Let's go.